Hello mga kababayan ng Malig. Kakantahin ko po yung Malig March. Sana po maalala nyo pa kung sino po ang composer nito at gumawa ng lyrics. Sila po ay ang aking mga magulang na ang composer ay si Melesio Makinad Tupaya at ang nagsulat ng lyrics ay ang aking mother na si Florentina Aquino Dupaya. So guys, kakantahin ko to kahit na babasahin ko lang. Okay. Ako po ang bunso sa 7 magkakapatid. Si Chris Dupaya the Panyero. In Western Isabela towns, Malig town, we proudly stand between rivers and mountain ranges. We wipe that reaches beyond evergreen ways along verdant hills, facet of young golden grace. Say mabuhay to Malig town, mabuhay to our lovely town. From mountain springs in water flow, watershed tropic rainfall. After they break a bountiful yield to fill the nation's heart and soul, a place of hope and love and peace. People come and share God's grace. Say mabuhay to Malig town, mabuhay to our lovely town. We say mabuhay to Malig town, mabuhay to our lovely town. Thank you. Coming from Canada with love. Sana maalala niyo po. Bye-bye. Ang kumanta ng Malig March. Ito.